Here's a quick demo that'll show us how we're using Aviator to solve issues, and not just for current issues, but also being able to keep those in a library so that you can solve problems in the future. Mamta Goyal, who's a team leader for our product management team in the IT operations group, will take you through that now.
Here you see the operations console with the event browser where operator is looking at various events. And as you can see, there is a database related issue which shows a deadlock problem. So let's take help of Aviator to solve this particular event. After I click on Aviator, it takes the context from the event information and automatically creates a prompt and sends the query to the Aviator service. Now, Aviator service using various domain information that includes the database documentation as well as the knowledge base articles. It comes up with a set of suggestions that can help to solve the event. It also shows the references from where it has taken the information. Now, on this one, I can also ask the follow-up questions if something or the suggestion that is given by Aviator is not clear to me. So let's ask a follow-up question on how do I really check the current value that the Aviator is suggesting to change. On the follow-up questions as well, when it comes up with a response, it provides the information along with the references. Now, if you're happy with these suggestions, then I can do a summarize of this conversation. So it creates a short summary of the complete conversation that a user has done with the Aviator. Now you can take this summary and say save it as instruction. So your draft is automatically created with this summary, and this draft, if required, can be edited by the user or by the SME before you save it. Now, after updating the draft, you can save it either on a similarity based or on an event filter based. So the event will be mapped to this particular instruction that can be stored in the database. So you create this instruction and activate it before saving it. So then this instruction gets attached to this particular event so that next time when a similar event arrives, then the instruction is already available. As you can see here, this event now has an associated instruction after I have persisted it and saved it. Now let's see if another event which matches this particular event comes in, and at that point of time, I should see this instruction automatically. So now a new event has arrived and you can see the instruction is automatically attached to it even without using the Aviator.
Thanks, Mamta. That was really interesting. The way that we're able to use Aviator to solve a problem, to use both internal and external documents, and really solve the issue, not only for just now, but also to create a library of that so that we can use that in the future. Great stuff. Thank you very much.